his car that has a huge snowbank behind it. Here's my car. That's the back of it. Doesn't look too bad. And there's a big drift between those two cars. And there's all of mine covered in snow. And the wind going crazy. Pretty much just knocks you over as soon as you walk outside. So we'll take a There's my car full of snow.
Hey, I don't want my car out. There's no shovel here.
Oh, full tire. Smell that.
There's no shovel.
Where'd it go? Did you like my little fall out there? Listen, fell.
Hey.